Welcome to our latest video on the most advanced military technology of today. The A-29 Super Tucano is a highly versatile and widely acclaimed light attack and advanced training aircraft. Designed and manufactured by the Brazilian aerospace company Embraer, the Super Tucano has gained significant recognition for its exceptional performance in counterinsurgency and close air support missions. The aircraft's armament and mission capabilities are one of its key strengths. The Super Tucano is equipped with a wide range of weapons, including machine guns, rockets, bombs, and precision-guided munitions. The artillery self-propelled mount AHS Krab is a modern self-propelled howitzer system developed and produced by the Polish defense company Huta Stalowa Wola. One of the key features of the AHS Krab is its advanced fire control system, which includes a digital battlefield management system, a laser rangefinder, and a thermal imaging camera. This allows the AHS Krab to operate effectively in a wide range of weather and lighting conditions, and to quickly and accurately engage targets at long ranges. Caesar, Camion équipé d'un système d'artillerie, is a French-made 155mm self-propelled howitzer developed by Nexter Systems. The system is based on a wheeled truck chassis and is designed to provide highly mobile and responsive fire support to ground troops. The howitzer is equipped with an advanced fire control system that includes a laser rangefinder, a digital battlefield management system, and a navigation system. The system has earned a reputation as one of the most effective and reliable self-propelled howitzers in the world, and is highly regarded for its accuracy, mobility, and versatility. The Eurocopter Tiger, also known as the Airbus Helicopters Tiger, is a powerful attack helicopter designed and manufactured by Airbus Helicopters. The helicopter is designed to meet the needs of modern battlefield operations, including reconnaissance, close air support, and anti-tank missions. The Tiger also features advanced defensive systems, including a radar warning receiver, a missile approach warning system, and chaff and flare dispensers. These systems allow the helicopter to detect and evade enemy threats, making it a highly survivable platform in combat situations. The FEH-77BW Archer is a self-propelled artillery system developed by the Swedish defense company BAE Systems Bofors. It is a highly advanced and mobile artillery platform that can provide accurate and responsive fire support to ground troops. One of the key features of the Archer system is its advanced automation and computerization. The howitzer is equipped with an automatic loading system that can load and unload shells in less than 30 seconds. The system's hydraulic suspension also allows it to be raised or lowered, depending on the terrain, ensuring a stable firing platform. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation, single-seat, twin-engine stealth fighter aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. It is one of the most advanced fighter aircraft in the world, designed to engage and defeat enemy aircraft and surface-to-air missile systems with a high degree of survivability. One of the unique features of this fighter is its stealth technology, which makes it difficult to detect by radar systems. This allows the aircraft to operate deep behind enemy lines and engage targets without being detected or intercepted. The CRAM, counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar weapon system, also known as the Land-Based Phalanx Weapon System, LPWS, is a critical component of the United States layered defense system designed to protect military installations and personnel from incoming enemy rockets, artillery, and mortar rounds. It serves as a rapid reaction and close-in defense system to intercept and destroy incoming projectiles before they reach their intended targets. As threats continue to evolve, the CRAM system is continually being upgraded and enhanced to maintain its effectiveness. The Eurofighter Typhoon is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by a consortium of European countries, including the United Kingdom, Germany, Italy, and Spain. It was designed to be a highly maneuverable and agile aircraft capable of carrying out a wide range of missions, including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground attack, and reconnaissance. The Typhoon is highly maneuverable and agile, making it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat. It is also capable of carrying out ground attack missions, including close air support, interdiction, and deep strike missions. Rheinmetall Air Defense, a leading global provider of advanced air defense systems, has introduced an innovative solution known as Skynex. Skynex is a truck-mounted system specifically designed to engage and neutralize drone swarms, addressing the growing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in modern warfare and security scenarios. The Skynex system combines advanced sensor technology, automated target recognition, and rapid engagement capabilities to detect, track, and neutralize hostile drones. Mounted on a truck platform, the system is highly mobile and can be quickly deployed to areas of interest or potential drone threats. The SPGH Dana is a highly mobile artillery system that was developed in the Czech Republic during the 1970s and 1980s. The acronym SPDH stands for Self-Propelled Gun Howitzer, while Dana refers to the Slavic goddess of fertility. The Dana has a range of approximately 18 kilometers and can fire up to 8 rounds per minute. One of the key features of the SPDH Dana is its advanced fire control system, which includes a digital battlefield management system, a laser rangefinder, and a navigation system. The Patria AMV XP is available in several variants, including armored personnel carrier, infantry fighting vehicle, and reconnaissance vehicle. Its armor protection can be customized based on the user's requirements. It also has an amphibious capability. The Patria AMV XP has undergone several upgrades and improvements over the years, including the integration of new weapons and sensors, and the addition of modular armor protection. It has proven to be a reliable and effective armored vehicle, and its versatility and mobility have made it a valuable asset for military and peacekeeping operations around the world. Songar's unmanned systems, specifically its armed drone platforms, have proven to be highly capable and effective in combat operations. These drones combine advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence, precision targeting, and autonomous capabilities, to provide superior performance on the battlefield. With its export achievements, Songar contributes to the defense industry and economy of Turkey. The export of unmanned systems not only generates revenue for the company, but also enhances Turkey's reputation as a reliable and technologically advanced defense exporter. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is a modern, highly mobile, and versatile rocket launcher utilized by the United States Army and several other international military forces. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the HIMARS is designed to provide long-range precision fire support for ground troops in a wide range of operational environments. The primary armament of the HIMARS consists of a 6-round pod container, which can house a variety of rockets, including the Army Tactical Missile System, ATACMS, and the Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System, GMLRS. The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The drone is equipped with a variety of advanced sensors and communication systems, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence equipment. These sensors provide the drone with real-time surveillance capabilities, allowing it to detect and track targets on the ground from a safe distance. One of the key features of the Global Hawk is its ability to conduct autonomous takeoff and landing operations. The Piranha 5 is a highly versatile and advanced wheeled armored vehicle designed and manufactured by the Swiss company General Dynamics European Land Systems, MOAG. Building upon the successful lineage of the Piranha family, the Piranha 5 offers enhanced capabilities and modern technologies to meet the evolving requirements of modern warfare. One of the key features of the Piranha 5 is its advanced protection. The vehicle incorporates a modern and scalable armor system that provides improved defense against a wide range of threats, including ballistic projectiles, mines, and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. That's all for today's video on military tech. We hope you learned something new and thought-provoking. If you haven't already, please subscribe and share your insights in the comments below.